Welcome back to another video, guys. As you see, we're preparing some stew peas, and if you're a fan of stew peas, check this one out. This is easy to prepare and the end result is so delicious. So thanks to all my returning supporters, and for those coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, in that you never miss another upload. So let's get to the video, guys. So here we're jumping straight to the video. Here I have some pigstail. I'm going to cut these in small pieces as shown. And then I'm going to rinse these well and put to boil. Changing the water like every 5 minutes until the salt consistency is good enough. Then we can put this to cook. And here I have some fresh meat as well, some beef and turkey neck. But first we're going to rinse our peas and put to start cooking. And we're going to put this to cook with garlic and ginger. Wash this very well. Now we're just adding some seasoning. These are complete season, all-purpose season, salt and garlic powder, I believe, but I'm going to drop everything in the description box below. Okay, moving along, here is our pigstail and our peas as start cooking. So now we're just going to add all our meat to the pot, add more water, cover, and allow this to pressure for another 15 minutes. Then we'll check because we doesn't need the meat to be smushy. So we're just going to cover our pot while we work on the rest of ingredients. But just continue watching and I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. Fresh ingredients, and guys, please remember the pimento seed. This is needed in our stew peas, and we can't have stew peas without spinners. So here I'm just making a fast dough. This is a bit of cornmeal. The cornmeal is optional. Some flour, salt, and water to form a dough. And to make the spinners, you just rub it in your hand as shown, and then we're ready to drop those in the pot when the time is right. So for the coconut milk, I'm using coconut powder. Feel free to use fresh coconut milk if you have at home. And here, after some minutes, my peas and meat is cooked. So now I'm going to add my coconut milk, stir this well and allow to cook for another 5 minutes. Then we can add the rest of ingredients. So continue watching, guys. Now we're just adjusting taste and cover this and allow it to simmer and thicken. So if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment, and also turn your notification bell on for future uploads. And if you're a fan of stew peas, please leave that in the comment section because I am a fan of stew peas. So here we have it now, guys, all ready to serve. Yes. And I'm going to serve this up with some white rice, fried plantain, a quick fresh salad, cucumber, and tomato slices. And dinner was very delicious. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. And also, guys, please check out my channel membership. There you get first and look of videos and additional perks. So thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.